Hello guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. Today in this video you are going to see the last unit of Lightning Experience Customization, and that is empower your users with quick actions. This module describes how action help our users, and also it describes the difference between object specific and global actions. So before that, let us see what is quick actions. In Salesforce, actions let our users quickly to do tasks such as create records, log calls, send emails, and more. With custom actions, we can make our users' navigation and workflow as smooth as possible. So, quick actions are of two different types, and the first one is object specific actions, and the second one is global actions. Object specific actions have automatic relationships to other records and let users quickly create or update records, log calls, send emails, and more. So there are several types of object specific actions. They are listed below. And what is global action? We create global actions in a different place in setup than you create object specific actions. They are called global actions because they can be put anywhere actions are supported. Use global actions to let users log call details, create or update records, or send email all without leaving the page they are on. So the instructions are given how to create an object specific action and how to create a global action and how to add those things to the page layout and global actions menus are given. Just read it out or do the given things in your own. Let us see the quiz given, and the first one is custom actions help our users by option A, allowing them to create custom records. Option B, giving them more ways to open, view, edit, and delete custom records. Option C, making work feel more like playing a video game. And option D, making it fast and easy to interact with information in our organization. So the answer is option D, making it fast and easy to interact with information in your organization. The second question is the main difference between object specific actions and global actions is. The first option is object specific action have automatic relationship to other records and global actions don't. Option B, global action performs actions outside of Salesforce and object specific actions only perform actions inside Salesforce. Option C, object specific actions perform actions only on specific objects. And option B, you can use object specific actions wherever actions are supported in Salesforce. We know that option A is the correct one. So let us choose that. That is, object specific actions have automatic relationships to other records and global actions don't. The third question is to see a custom object specific action on the palette of the page layout editor. The given option is option A, click layout properties on the page layout editor. Option B, select mobile and lightning actions in the list of element types. Option C, first, customize the action in the action layout editor. And option D, select quick actions in the list of element types. So this is option B, select mobile and lightning actions in the list of element types. Let us check the quiz. We have completed this module. So keep on watching our videos. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.